better than digging a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might meet. A movie star, or maybe even a Indian chief. At the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me, car wash. Sing it with feeling, y'all, car wash, yeah. Come some of the work gets kinda hard, and this ain't no place to be if you're planning on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool, and the boss don't mind sometimes if you act a fool at the car wash. Whoa, 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 talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me, car wash. Ooh, 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 car wash, yeah. Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Keep those rags and machines humming.
My fingers to the bone. People, I can't wait till it's time to go home.
Hey, get your car washed today. Fill up and you don't have to pay. Come on and give us a play. Get a wash right away at the car wash.
Hey, I'm Swain, this is Gary, and we're here for Ministries. Ministries is for Hope Against Addiction. We're here to raise money for Carrie because she puts 8 days out of a 7-day week in for all of us. Her heart, her time, her driving around. So we're just here as a fundraiser to raise money for Carrie. Anything?
Sounds good.
Hey Carrie, this is for you. We love you. Thank you. Yeah. He doesn't like to stop the camera.
Talking about the car wash, yeah.